If this world from you withholds some of its silver and its gold, and you have to get along with meager fare, just remember in His word how He feeds the little bird. Take your burden to the Lord and leave it there. Leave it there. Leave it there. Just take your burden to the Lord and leave it there. If you trust and never doubt, He will surely bring you out. So take your burden to the Lord and leave it there.